We're going to start with paper in here, and there. You don't have to battle with it, it kind of makes its own fold, and you just make the grease basically. And I want you to do it like this, one egg at a time, because if one egg is rotten, and it's usually the last one, you can throw everything out. So one. I like using the timer on my phone. So these eggs are going to be blended for 2 minutes, and it's important that we get a lot of fluff with these brownies. So let's blend them for 2 minutes till they actually turn a lighter color and they look very frothy. And then after the 2 minutes, we add the sugar, and I'm going to prep the vanilla and then slice it down the middle. There you go. Now, this is the pulp in here, and all we have to do is go like this. So my timer went off, and here we got the eggs. So the next step is to put the vanilla in and the sugar. Sorry, my sugar is a little lumpy. I live in humid Hawaii. Okay, so this is all we're going to do with the electric blender, and everything from here on out is done by hand. It looks so yummy. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to melt the chocolate, and I have a real easy way of melting it. We will put it in the microwave for so some microwaves you go 30 seconds, then you give it a stir and you do another 30 seconds. So let's see how it feels. It's not too hot. That's good, because the butter is not as warm as this. So what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add it. So we're going to take about half the butter, and the butter is very soft. If you know you're going to make brownies in the morning, just put the butter out the night before. It takes a couple of hours for the butter to be soft and come to room temperature. And here's our fluffed up eggs with sugar, and the same thing. I'm going to retest it. Oh, it's great. It's perfect temperature, but to be sure, I'm still going to do the same method. So here we go. We're going to do a little of this. Okay. Nice, very nice. Okay, so now I can take the rest of this and just pour it in there. Whenever you do something with ingredients of different temperatures, always do this method. Brownies, you have to do a lot by hand because they're delicate, and if they get overmixed, a whole bunch of things happen. The chocolate doesn't like it, and the fluff features, the air you just put in. We only use the mixer to fluff up the eggs, and then add the sugar and fluff the sugar up with the eggs and get the sugar very well integrated. So that's it, and the rest is all done by hand. We do have some air bubbles in the eggs and the sugar, and we don't want to mix it out. We want to preserve them. So all the extracts have alcohol in it, and the alcohol can do something to the chocolate. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little flour in, go under, and fold it over. I have 1 tablespoon in here of the almond extract or almond liqueur. I'm going to use extract today. If you like, you can use half a tablespoon. It just depends on how much almond you want to taste. And you can see that chocolate doesn't really like it, so I'm going to work quickly. There. All right, now the rest of this, flour goes in, sifted on top. Do it carefully. I recommend doing the folding motion. You can move your bowl while you do it, then it's more efficient. There. See? Works great. And I can see all my ground up almonds are evenly distributed already. And so this one is called the nut brownie recipe. And earlier I showed you ginger brownie, and you can see in the other one I add raisins and ginger and hazelnuts instead of almonds. This is how you want this. And they come up and it makes a fine sugary crust on top. Okay, off we go in the oven. Okay, set your timer. And I'm going to do, it's 25 to 30 minutes. It says in the recipe, I'm going to do 25 because I just got a new oven and it seems to be a little more efficient. So I'm going to check it after 25.